Hi, today we are making cake. In today's video, I'm going to show you my caking skills or my baking disaster. You will know in few minutes. So for the cake batter, add half cup oil, half cup sugar and 1 tablespoon coffee. Sift the coffee and okay, I got a grain of rice in my coffee and I have no idea how it landed here. Crack 2 room temperature eggs in medium size. Ideally you want to add one at a time into coffee mixture, but I'm lazy, so do as I say, not as I do. Beat them like you beat your machine when it's not working. Mix everything together until they are light, pale and fluffy. For the dry ingredients, sift 1 cup flour with 2 teaspoon baking powder. Baking powder is gonna help to puff it up and give a fluffy body to it. Gently fold the dry into wet, make a smooth and lump-free batter. It's time to prep our baking vessel and use whatever microwave safe pan you have at home. Grease it with oil or butter. Currently I do not have parchment paper, but if you have then use it because parchment paper assists in taking out the cake after baking. Add the silky smooth batter into the pan and microwave it for 4 to 5 minutes. Timing may vary a little bit, like 30 to 40 seconds, so please stand still near your microwave and check if your cake is done by poking a toothpick into the cake, and if it's come with cake crumbs then your cake is done. Onto the coffee cream, add 2 teaspoon coffee, 2 teaspoon sugar and 2 teaspoon water into a bowl. Now roll up your sleeves and start working. It will take 5 to 7 minutes to make a foamy texture. If you have an electric machine and electricity then please use it. After some hard work, we got our desired texture to the coffee. When a soft peak forms, then you are done. Our cake is ready. Let it cool down. Now for the cream, add 200 grams of cream into a bowl and again roll up your sleeves and start whisking until the cream is double in size or your upper body stop working. Now add half cup sugar into the cream and I'm moving to the electric machine because my arms are not working anymore. My human machine is done, so beat it until the cream gets a sipped peak to it. Add the whipped coffee little by little and very gently carefully fold the coffee into whipped cream. In order to keep the coffee cream fluffy and light, we need not to deflate the cream. So gently work with it. Cake is looking cool, so let's decorate the cake by dumping over the coffee cream on the top and spreading it down the sides of cake. At the end, add 1 tablespoon whipped coffee on the coffee cream and bring your artistic side in light. Take a stick and just make some design. I'm making what I'm best at making, which is mess. So I'm just randomly doing circulation motions. You can make any design you want. Okay, I messed up the right side of the cake, but that's okay. It's all gonna end up in my stomach, so let's piece it up. Okay, this is super soft and pillowy cake I ever have, which is baked in the microwave because the microwave baked cakes are usually on the dry and harder side, not the soft and pillowy texture. The coffee cream is just, I'm in love with it. It has a very strong coffee flavor to it and a very creamy and airy texture. I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10. So, thank you. Bye.